Section 8. Safety and support. Driving with confidence in the land of the pharaohs. Safety is paramount when you're navigating the bustling streets of Cairo. Thankfully, the Kia Ceed has got you covered. It's been awarded a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating, which is the highest possible rating. This impressive safety score is a testament to the Ceed's robust construction and its comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. These features include autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. But Kia's commitment to your peace of mind doesn't end there. Kia has a strong after-sales service network in Egypt, with dealerships and service centers located across the country. This means that you're never far away from expert Kia technicians who can help you keep your Ceed in tip-top condition. Section 9 Conclusion. Take the Ceed for a spin and see for yourself. Well folks, there you have it, the Kia Ceed in all its glory. It's a car that's stylish, practical, affordable, and packed with technology. But don't just take my word for it. Head down to your local Kia dealership in Cairo and experience the Ceed for yourself. Take it for a spin, put it through its paces, and see why it's become such a popular choice for discerning car buyers in Egypt and beyond. I reckon you'll be pleasantly surprised. Until next time, happy motoring.